Hello, children. Welcome to the revision lecture of lesson number 6 Natural Regions. We have already studied this lesson, but now, once again, we will see this lesson in short.
Equatorial region. These regions are located between 5 degrees north and 5 degrees south of the equator. Extend in Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Congo Basin and Amazon Basin. Here summer temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall between 2500 and 3000 millimeters. High heat and rainfall throughout the year. Because of hot and humid climate, vegetal litter decompose leading to diseases. Various types of trees and bushes are found here. Dense evergreen forests are found here. Trees are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, etc. Variety of animals are found here. In marshy land, crocodile, anaconda and hippopotamus etc. are found here. Gorilla, chimpanzees, hornbill are also found here. Here, human settlements are very few. It depends on nature. Population is mostly tribal. Tribes like Pygmies, Boro Indians, Semang, etc. Monsoon region. These regions are located in north and south of the equator between 10 degree and 30 degree north and south parallels. Areas: Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa, Central America, etc. Here summer temperatures are between 27 degree and 32 degrees Celsius. Winter temperatures 15 degree to 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 250 to 2500 millimeters. Areas get rain in specific season from southwest monsoon. Rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven. Here semi-evergreen and deciduous forests are found. Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Banyan, peepal, teak, sal trees are found here. Wild animals such as tigers, lion, leopard, cheetah, monkeys, snakes, peacock, etc. are found here. Domesticated animals, cattle, goats, horses, etc. Population is mostly involved in primary occupation. The main occupation of the people is agriculture. Mediterranean region. These regions extend between 30 degree and 40 degree parallels in both the hemisphere on the western side of continents. Areas are Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Southwest and Northeast Australia, California, etc. Here summers are dry and rainfall in winters. Mean summer temperature from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall 500 to 1000 millimeters. Coniferous forests are found in mountainous region. Thick, small and oily leaves, thick bark, examples olive, oak, chestnut. Due to animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in large number. Goat, sheep, cow, mules, horses, etc. The main occupation of the people is agriculture and mostly fruit and flower cultivation. West European regions. These regions are located in the western part of continent between 45 degree and 65 degree north and south parallels. Areas are Norway, Denmark, Ireland, New Zealand, British Columbia, etc. Mean summer temperature around 20 degrees Celsius. Mean winter temperature around 5 degrees Celsius. Mean rainfall between 500 and 2500 millimeters. Rainfall mostly in the form of cyclones associated with westerlies. It rains throughout the year. Green grasses all the year round. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Coniferous trees and short grasses, oak, beech, maple, pine, spruce, poplar, etc., are found here. Because of animal husbandry, domesticated animals in large number. Wild animals include wolves, foxes, bears, etc. Here, people are industrious and enthusiastic. Mostly, they are sailors and explorers. They have achieved progress in secondary and tertiary sectors. Extent in Greenland, North Canada, North Asia, and North Europe. Mean summer temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and winter temperature is minus 20 to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall is 25 to 300 millimeters. Here climate is very cold. Vegetation is short-lived. Short grass, small shrubs, flowers, lichen, moss, etc. are found here. Animals have soft and thick fur. Reindeer, polar bear, foxes, etc. are found here. Hunting and fishing is the main occupation of the people. Houses are made up of animal hides. Igloos are built from snow and ice. A vehicle used for traveling over snow or ice is called sledges. So here sledges are also used. Eskimo people live here. People have tough life and population distribution is highly sparse. Taiga region. Taiga region is located between 55° and 65° north parallels from Alaska to the Atlantic coast and parts of Eurasia. Here mean summer temperature is 15 degree to 20 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall between 300 and 500 millimeters. It rains in summer and snowfall in winter. Coniferous forests are found here. Leaves are narrow, pointed. Branches are leaning towards the ground. Wood is light and soft. Spruce, fir, pine, redwood, etc. are the trees found here. Animals have soft and thick fur. Mink, bear, silver fox, elk are found here. Here population is less. Lumbering and hunting are the major occupation of the people. Few agrarian activities takes place. Grasslands Southern type. These grasslands are located between 5° to 20° north and south parallels in both the hemispheres. These grasslands are called with different names in different countries, like savanna in Africa, Queensland in Australia, parkland in Africa, llanos and campus in South America, and other grasslands. Summer temperature is around 35 degrees Celsius and winter temperature is around 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall around 250 to 1000 millimeters. Here summer is hot and humid and winters are warm and dry. Tall and thick grass area found here. Height of grass around 6 meters called elephant grass. Trees are rare and have umbrella-like canopy. For example, pineapple, cactus, etc. Large number of herbivores and carnivorous animals are found here, like giraffe, zebra, lion, cheetah, etc. Here houses are simple with mud walls and thatch roof without windows. Hunting and rearing is the main occupation of the people. Main tribes include Zulu, Hausa, Maasai, etc. Hot desert regions. These regions are located between 20° to 30° north and south parallels. These regions are found in the western part of continents Sahara in North Africa, Kalahari in South Africa, Colorado in North America, Atacama in South America, Thar in Asia, etc. Mean summer temperature is 30° to 45° Celsius. Winter temperature is 20 to 25° Celsius. Here heat is tremendous and rainfall is very low and nights are very cold. In this region, thorny bushes with hardly any leaves are found here. Leaves are narrow, oily and have thick bark. Once the moisture in soil is consumed, plants die. Examples are cactus, sisal, date palm, palm, etc. Camels survive for days without water. The animals live inside the ground during daytime. For example, snakes, lizards, etc. Agriculture is confined to river valley and oasis. Most of the needs get fulfilled through animals. Bedouins in Sahara, Bushmen in Kalahari are the tribes live here. Grassland, steppes and prairies. These grasslands are located between 30° to 55° north and south parallels in the interior part of the continents. These grasslands are called with different names in different countries, like steppes in Eurasia, Vales in Africa, pampas in South America, prairies in North America, downs in Australia. Here summer temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius, winter temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall is 400 to 600 millimeters. Here rainfall is during summer. Extensive grasslands are seen here. Short grasses growing in lumps. Grass gets dried up in winter. Elder, poplar trees are found here. Wildlife includes deer, horses, dogs, wolves, etc. Rearing animal is the main occupation of the people here. Earlier people had a nomadic life like Kyrgyz. Now they stay in well-built houses.